Our next speaker of the day is David Martinez. Welcome, David.
So hey everyone, I'm David. I'm a health informatics major. I'm a sophomore. So this was the one that I had to change or whatever. It is the median household income for the 25-month populace, metropolitan areas, 2015 and 16. So at first, when I first saw it, it kind of looked like a mess, but then when I was working with it, it actually isn't that bad. So we'll see. So what I didn't like about it was right here, there's this like double space between the all metro areas, which I mean would be fine, but then they also changed the color to it, so it was kind of unnecessary. I feel like they could have done either or. And then also the lines in between the blocks, I didn't really like those because they're close enough to where you can figure it out. Because also some of them have them, but then also some don't, which is kind of, they could have done it all one or not. And also the blocks, they're kind of too big. So for like example Houston, it's kind of like, well, I mean, did it change or not? It's like you don't really know, so you kind of have to like read the rest, but through the chart you can't find out. I didn't like the vertical lines here. I just kind of thought they were ugly, so I didn't really like them. And then the asterisks next to the names. If you're like a statistician, I guess they would make it will be important because it says to change statistically different from 0 at the 90% confidence level. I don't know what that meant, but I knew what it was saying without knowing what it meant, so I kind of thought it just wasn't necessary for somebody like me, because why I would use this would be because, well, if I'm looking for a house or whatever in a big city and I just want to know what the median household income is. So this is what I changed it to. So I took the dots off, so you can see, like, example right here, where the dots were on, they look like they're the same number, but without it you can tell that they're not. Here and here they are the same number, so you could tell without guessing. I also made the lines horizontal. I took the asterisks off because I didn't think they were necessary. And then instead of doing it like they had it up here, the highest to lowest, I did highest to lowest from left to right. I found this interesting because, well, I have this weird thing about knowing incomes and stuff. I just find it interesting. And while you might find it interesting, well, you may not want to live in like a big city or something, but it would be good to know about the household incomes of where you would want to live if you want to move, because you would also want to compare the cost of living, and if cost of living is too high but the household income and stuff is too low, well, that's not going to be no good. I showed you the original graph, how I changed it, why I find it interesting, why you might find it interesting. And yeah, thank you.
Before you take it away, so why did you make it, why did you put the cities in that order on the bottom?
What do you mean?
Like starting with San Francisco, is it from most expensive to least expensive?
Yeah, the highest incomes to the lowest.
But that would be based on the red line, the 216, right? Because
yeah,
Charlotte's different. Right, Charlotte's less expensive than St. Louis.
Well, I used their thing. It was 2016.
Okay, and then go back to, I'm just curious as to, so it looks like it's based on the red line, not the blue line.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The orange.
Orange.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. There's a 3-point question, because you have to remember back to the first speeches. Who in this class might change their mind about moving to the most expensive, the second most expensive city in that chart? Do you know? Is it United? Why didn't you answer? You could have answered that.
Oh, I couldn't? Oh, I don't know.
What?